Hey y'all, if you need a comfortable and sturdy rolling stool for long hours of work, this saddle stool might be the one that you're looking for. The brand did send it over and compensated me for this video, but really this high density foam cushion on this chair is so much thicker than most, so you're not dealing with a hard, uncomfortable seat after long periods of sitting. The leather-like covering is easy to wipe down and holds up well over time without cracking or even fading. And the saddle style seat is designed to help with posture, so instead of like slouching or putting pressure on my lower back, it naturally aligns my legs and spine, which can make a big difference when I'm sitting for long periods of time at my desk. It's a great option for me as I was noticing back pain and discomfort from regular stools and chairs at my desk. And with the 450-pound weight capacity and a widened metal base, it's very sturdy and stable. It has an adjustable height from about 20 inches to 28 inches, making it easy to set it to whatever level you need, whether you're at like a workbench or a salon station or even like a dental or tattoo shop. The five wheels do rotate 360 degrees and they roll so smoothly on different floor types without making a ton of noise or leaving marks. It moves so easily without catching on carpets or dragging on hardwood. Overall, it's a solid ergonomic option if you need a stool that supports good posture, that moves easily, and holds up to daily use in different work environments.